Welcome back. I thought as long as I had the video making equipment out and set up, I'd just go ahead and post another quick video for you. This will be just a real short review of stuff we've already talked about what the R2 project is. The R2, the second research paper, is a big project. The outline is 100 points, the rough draft is 100 points, and the final draft is 200 points. So I want you to do well. This is 4/10 of your grade for the semester. Now, it's designed to be a series of steps. The first step involves working up to the rough draft. Pick a topic. Hopefully you'll focus on one of the topics I just posted and take a look at it. The rough draft is due October the 20th before 11:55 p.m. And all I'm looking for there is mass quantities of ideas, just lots and lots of ideas. Hopefully a lot of them are your ideas, your thoughts, your reactions, just what do you think? If you don't know much about your topic, but you're interested in it, sure, you can do a quick Google search or look at Wikipedia, some other online sources. You can ask parents, friends, coworkers, just to get some ideas going. But then just really kind of ramble, kind of let your thoughts build on themselves. It's helpful if you'll group similar ideas together. For example, if you're talking about how COVID-19 has affected U.S. public schools, you can have a couple of paragraphs all about mental health issues, then maybe have a couple of paragraphs all about teacher appreciation, then a couple of paragraphs all about federal funding for COVID, what's going to happen to schools when that federal funding is no longer available. But if you'll kind of keep your ideas together rather than just random, it'll be much easier as you work through the process. So the first step, which is due Thursday, October the 20th, is your rough draft. Minimum 2,000 words. I hope you go a little bit beyond that, but minimum of 2,000 words all over one topic. Now, it's not too early to be thinking about your thesis, your main idea. When I teach 1301, we talk about several different writing processes, but one writing process from the textbook says to start with the main idea. That's very valid. That's perfectly good way to start this. So look at the research question and make sure your thesis, and of course the rough draft, your thesis can be anywhere, although end of the introduction is a good place to put it, but make sure it clearly answers the research question. For example, what produces sapience in the human brain? My thesis would be the amygdala produces sapience in the human brain. That's probably not scientifically accurate, but you get the idea. Or the amount of white matter to gray matter percentage, or whatever it is that your research or that you believe creates human sentience or sapience, put that in one sentence form. Okay? Then I'll make lots of notes about that, lots of comments, then start working on your outline. And that's where you kind of focus in, that's where you kind of drill down a little bit. You're still doing research, but at this point you're doing a different kind of research. You'll be doing some more academic scholarly research, but so you're looking for details. The rough draft is just general broad ideas. The outline will be more of an organization tool to help you kind of see what you've got and kind of organize those ideas a little bit better. I've got some good examples. I think once you look at those examples, the outline will make a lot more sense. The outline's real basic, and it's to be honest with you, it's pretty straightforward. But let me know if you have any questions. Okay, then you turn that in, more comments on that, more guidance, more help, and you're starting to work on the rough draft, the final draft, the R2 final draft, which is due Thursday, December 1st. Now that's the very end of the semester. We can't do anything beyond that, so be sure to get it in before then. But this is where it all comes together. All your research, all your formatting, all your ideas, which are supported by good, solid published research, well explained, well defined, and with good introduction, good conclusion, topic synthesis, thesis, and poof, there's your grade, A+. If you have any questions, please send me a new email and I'll get back to you. Thanks.